Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Kroger's customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in this demonstration I'm going to open up a web browser. I'm going to go to Google. Now in the Google search box I'm going to type in Kroger customer service. Now I'm going to hit enter. Then you'll be brought to Google web results. What you want to do is click onto customer comments or customer service, so it doesn't matter which one. I'm going to do customer service here, so go ahead and click on customer service from Kroger.com. Now give that a few moments to load the web page. And now once you're here, you've got a few different ways how to contact Kroger's customer service. So if you'd like to launch a live chat with them, you can go ahead and click on launch chat here where it says chat with us online. If you would rather email Kroger, you can email them as well. So to email them, you want to click on this customer comments page here and now fill out this form. And now in this form, you just scroll down a bit and where it says how would you like to be contacted, this is required, and you're going to put by email. And then I'd like to discuss, this is required as well. So just choose which option best suits your issues, and if it's not listed here, just go ahead and click on other not listed and then put in your comments, which is required. Then submit that form and then give Kroger a few days to reply. Generally they will reply back within 24 hours in my experience. And the last way is to give Kroger a call directly and speak to a human. So if you'd like to do that, you got these different departments here, so give whichever suits your problem. So if you got a gift card inquiry, you can give that a phone call there. If you got media relations, it's got a phone number here. Or if you're unsure, just give them a call directly on this number here. And note their hours of operation as well. So they're open to call them from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to midnight EST. Saturday to Sunday, 7 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. EST.